These are from the brand Staud, and I ordered these 6.5 or 35, 36.5, and that's the style. These are more dressy shoes. I wanted to order this type of shoes for summer, but I didn't want to open them before because I wanted to do the video. And these shoes are nice. I think the picture look nice. I never had this type of shoes before because I like them wide and comfortable. But if it's just for a few hours, it's okay. I like that these shoes come with this little bag, you see? I like this type of bags because when I travel international or maybe local, I can just put my shoes here and it's ready to pack. I like the idea of this bag. Let me show you. Vamos a ver. They are very well packed. I hope they fit. I ordered 6.5 because these are kind of type of sandal shoes, and the 6 was going to be too small, and I hope I didn't make a mistake. Maybe a 7 was going to be better, but I'm gonna try the 6.5, and I'm gonna have to keep them because I cannot return them anymore. They look like this. Ooh, they are nice. Wow, this is the brand Staud, S-T-A-U-D. I don't know how to pronounce that. Staud. And these are supposed to be leather. This is very soft. I think this is leather. Wow. 36.5 or 6.5. This brand is new to me and they look really nice. These are perfect for wide leg pants or trousers or dresses. This is the other one. That's the heel. That's the color. These are more like fashion shoes than walking shoes. But I don't gonna use this to explore. I'm just gonna use this to look good. I like that the heel is very short. These are made in Portugal. And they look really nice. They have, the detail is like suede leather. And I really don't know if the sole is leather, but it looks like leather. And I'm assuming that the upper is also leather. I'm gonna leave the link of these shoes down in the description section for you to check them out. When I bought them, they were on special, but I don't think they are in special anymore, or I don't know. I'm gonna leave the link for you to check it out. And I like the idea of the bag. I like to keep this paper inside of my shoes so they can maintain the form. So these shoes I cannot return anymore because they already past the time, but I like them. I don't want to return this. The bag has two sides. Wow, one for each shoe. That's nice. One pocket for each shoe. This is new to me. That is nice. Okay, now each shoe is protected. Let's go to the next one. These are from Nordstrom. These I can return if they don't fit or if I don't like. These ones I ordered them from the Nordstrom anniversary sale. Oh, so hot. These are from the brand called HAAN. And let me see. Oh, beige color.